Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to Suburban Soul Homestead. Gabriella here, and today I am doing a seed haul. In addition to doing a seed haul, I'm also going to show you what's in my seed growing binder, what I'm going to be growing this year, and my garden layout. So if that's something you're interested in, please keep watching. Okay, so I have to say I'm super excited about some new seeds that I got. I typically buy seeds from either High Moore, some other organic seed company, non-GMO seed company, or from um, a local co-op, a place that sells organic non-GMO seeds. But a dear friend of mine recommended that I ordered from this place called the Urban Garden Project. And I'm also going to leave the description and the links in the description below, as well as seeds for what I'm planning to grow in my dye garden. And when I say dye garden, for fabric dye, to create natural dyes for fabric. And so there's a few places. First place is botanical colors.com. And so the first pack of seeds I ordered was some dyer's chamomile. Um, and I also have some madder. Now, the thing about madder, this is going to take a little while because it takes about 2 years because you use the roots and not the plant of this. And I think it creates almost like a brown, like a reddish brown color. So I'm really excited about that. It'll be a few years in, but I'm probably going to order some so that you can get an idea of what the color looks like. Um, Also, bicolor Thias coreopsis. And I also have from a different collective. It's from Blue Light Junction in Baltimore, and this is Piscaria tinctoria, Persicaria tinctoria, excuse me. And so this is a variety that does well in the climate that I'm in, and so I'm in the Northeast, and so I'm really excited about indigo. Indigo, I could go on and on about um, this particular plant and seed, but I will save that for another video. Now, I'm super excited to look into this other pack from the Urban Garden Project out of New Caney, Texas. At least that's where their P.O. box is. Oh, and they have these really cute stickers that came with them. I'm going to show you. So we have, I think this is a moth, maybe a butterfly, I'm not sure. A succulent. At first glance, I thought it was a lotus. Um, some fruit, citrus. It's a reminder for me to get some, and I believe this might be either another succulent or some sort of lotus. But I really love this little lanyard for the pack. So one of the seeds I have is the common milkweed. Now, common milkweed is native to where I live, but it doesn't grow in my backyard for some reason. So my daughter loves monarchs. Monarchs love milkweed, and so we want to make sure that we have a lot of stuff for beautiful butterflies. I also ordered some moringa seeds. This is going to be grown in a container because moringa loves tropical, subtropical climates, and even though I've seen this tree grow back home in New Orleans. My uncle has a tree like this in his yard, and does really well there. I'm going to have to put it in containers because it's not going to do well here. The freeze will kill it. So I'll be bringing it inside. Golden Globe turnip. Alma paprika pepper, and we have some Roselle Jamaican sorrel, for my Caribbean people out there. I love sorrel, and I make it often. I'm able to get it at a store here that sells products from the Caribbean, that Caribbean folk use, and so I'm looking forward to see it grow from seed to drink. It's also good for your blood pressure as well. So purple tomatillo. So we all had our beautiful green, but I'm really excited to see what that was going to look like. And so that is, I have some other seeds that I'm waiting on. Fortunately, they're taking a little bit longer than I expected, but I'm really excited about all of these new things that I'm growing. And so I'm going to transition into showing you what is in my binder. All right, so this is my binder. The last video, I just showed you a lot of organizing that I did. And so just want to show you what I'm going to be growing. So we have some onions, Walla Walla onions, Tango celery. I'll also be doing a Utah celery, some red carpet onions. We're also going to be doing thyme and parade bunching onions, cilantro, dill, chives. So these are going to give me different sort of flowers, which I'm excited about. Because in addition to growing it for food, I also want to grow flowers. And I also have a flower binder that I'm going to show you. So that's for March. And this is also getting really specific about which week. And so we have kale. We have cauliflower. I know people wondering, like, why are you growing that so soon? You know, you can do it twice. So we have cabbage, we have basil, we have two different types of broccolis. Well, I'm sorry, this is cauliflower, actually, purple cauliflower. Different varieties of tomatoes. We have Princess. This is the, I think that's the, oh yeah, that's Brandywine. Moskvich. We also have the bush tomato. Again, we have the purple tomatillo that I just showed you from Urban Garden Project. We have the Tomaverde tomatillo. We also have the gold nugget tomato. And so now we get down to the peppers. Yes, cayenne, gotta grow cayenne. New Orleans, born and raised, gotta do the 504 good. Ring of Fire, cayenne pepper. We also have the jalapenos, poblano. We also have the New Mexico Joe E. Parker. I want to know who is Joe E. Parker. So sweet peppers. Every year I try to grow what I call a Creole garden where we have, you know, all the vegetables that we use in New Orleans food. Trinity, so I grow the Trinity every year, so that I don't have to worry about getting that from the store. So we have Zinger hibiscus. So it's two different types of roselles, which I'm super excited about, and super excited about like the difference in flavor. Kohlrabi, never grown it. Rosemary, cherry, tomato, the coyote, cherry tomato. And so again, we have April. And I know that many of these can start from seed, but I'm going to do starters to just help them out because I have rabbits. Oh boy, I used to be like, oh, rabbits are so cute. Not no more. They're not cute no more. So I'm gonna do butternut squash. And I also want to try to grow gourds for my son because he likes to create instruments. We have the pickling cucumbers, which I do lacto fermented pickles with every year. Summer squash. This is butter crunch lettuce. We have people and my little guinea pigs love lettuce, so we're gonna grow some lettuce, delicata. I didn't know about delicata until I moved up north. I didn't even know. I thought this was just ornamental, but this is very delicious. I love it now. I've never had nor grown this, but it looks like an interesting squash, so I'm gonna check it out and see what happens. I'm gonna grow callaloo. You know, I've never grown it, but I think that I'm really interested in that. I have some ancestors from Jamaica, and so in addition to sorrel, really wanting to explore that particular vegetable or green. Catnip, lemon balm. I grow lemon balm every year. It is like such a, like, I probably don't need to start this, but you know, I will, and I might even gift them to folks because I have a lemon balm and it's a perennial, so it comes back every year, so you don't have to plant it all the time. But so we have wild bergamot, bee balm. I also have some of that in the yard, but I want to plant more in different parts. More cucumbers, fennel. What is that? Sweet Thai basil. Love Thai basil. I'm probably repeating this. This is a perennial. I don't know. Maybe the other tribes are. So um, I think that was the same. Oh no, that's the same one. I grew amaranth this year. It was great. I didn't know amaranth got so tall. Oh my god! But it helped to create somewhat of a microclimate in the back. And so these are all direct seeds. Turnip. I did not know. I learned that my father used to love turnips when he was alive, and I tried them. I'm like, oh my god, I really like turnips. I didn't know that I would like them. I like the little spicy starchiness about it. Um, so we have some corn here, some festivity corn, more turnips, beets. I love a beet. Um, Lavender. We're gonna see if we can get these to sprout because lavender can be really hard to start, but we're gonna see. Um, we have some sage, never grown loofah. Would love to do that. And so, we're getting deeper into the summer. Again, direct sow and more corn, popcorn, and okra. This is the Callias flint corn. I'm going to figure out how to make grits, y'all. It is not a game. We also have some red beans, red kidney beans, and cantaloupe. What else? The sugar baby melon. It's a variety that grows pretty quickly, and so I'm really curious to see if I can do it. We also have some more kale vates or vates kale, some more lettuce, some corn that I grew, some seeds from corn that I grew last year, some spinach, and more amaranth. So those are the vegetable seeds that I'm planning to grow from seed this year. All right, so here are the flowers. So we have echinacea. It is, even though it is also used medicinally, it's also a beautiful flower. I have some on my front lawn because I don't believe in lawns. I believe grass should be used to plant as much as you can. So I have, and I'm going to give you all a tour of that once things are in bloom. A tour of my front lawn. And so, all right, y'all. I'm super excited about growing flowers this year. So we have some Racina calendula. We have some more bee balm. We have pincushion flowers from Floret. We have heirloom poppy, English poppy. I've never seen nor heard jasmine scented nicotiana. I am super excited about this. I've never seen this plant in my life. So um, I'm really looking forward to that. We have some California poppy, and these seeds I was able to get them before they discontinued them because now Floret have their own originals, which I ordered, and I'm waiting for them to come, patiently, anxiously waiting for them to come. We also have pot marigold. We also have another marigold, the Cracker Jack blend. I don't know. I think this is a zinnia. Yes, this is zinnia. I don't know what variety, but I got through botanical interest. Zinnia, this is another one from Floret. I'm super excited about this one. And my plan is to save the seeds so I can grow them again next year. And so we have some dahlias, straw flower, I said cornucopia mix. So we're gonna have some in different colors. And this looks like fur. It's so cute. It reminds me of like a lion or something. We also have yellow zinnia, more zinnia. Y'all, this yard is gonna be filled with zinnia, just a lot of them. We have crispadia, excuse me, the sunball. We have crispadia, the sunball, African daisy, closia, some more zinnia, some bachelor buttons, this beautiful sunshine flashback calendula. We also have this poppy bread seed Hungarian blue. Wait, did I get both? Y'all, see, that's just how bad I want to grow flowers. I have two of the bachelor buttons, burgundy beauties, more zinnias, the mammoth sunflower. I want to try to create like a bit of a wall of flowers. some more calendula, and these really beautiful um, county fair blend zinnias. Let's see what else we got. And I think, yeah, we have the larkspur and some cosmos. I'm also, again, waiting for my other seeds to come in, flower seeds, and then I have some dahlias and some more zinnias. And then I think we'll be set with the flowers. Okay, so this is my working plan for growing season 2024. So currently in this section, I have 4 beds I built, and I also have 4 blueberry bushes that I planted last year. So I should be harvesting this year. In a few weeks, I'm gonna prune them. Um, and so already I also have strawberries planted. So, trying to have that fruit production on the homestead. And my plan is, and these 2 are also already built. So the plan is to build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more beds, right? Because I have quite a few plants. And so I like using the square gardening method. And so here, as you can see, I have like little bit of a trellis because my plan is to plant my cucumbers here and let them trellis over. Um, Here, these little circles are container gardens, and what I'm still working on is like what thing's going to go next to what. So I have a list of all of the seeds that I'm growing, and so what I'm going to do is number them, number what's going to go where, and then reference the chart. And so up here, this is where I already have forsythia plants already here, or trees here, bushes, I think it is. And it's I planted flowers here and they did well. So I'm going to plant them, different flowers, but also going to plant those here again. This is going to be food, more food. And so most of this is just going to be food, flowers here. And so over here, I'm thinking one of these can be the dye garden. And I haven't decided quite yet what these 2 are going to be, but I'm sure with all of the things that I'm starting, I have quite a bit. Um, and so here I'm planning to build a pallet greenhouse. I'm always collecting pallets and I've seen quite a few videos and I'm really excited to start it myself. And so once, I don't know, I might make another part 2 to this to show you the system that I'm using to organize all of it. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you found it helpful, informative, and I hope that you check out some of the seed companies, seed projects, seed organizations that I showed you in the video. It'll be in the description below. Please like, subscribe if you haven't, and please share it with a friend. I hope that you're well. Peace.